First couple days, the guys were up on the mountain. I was moving material. And they came back and said that there were dogs and they were feeding them. And as we kept moving along, every place we stopped, every place we went, we have our little buddies. They're waiting for us every time we show up. There she is. Hi, baby. I'm gonna give you each a sausage or two. I usually pick up whatever's left over at breakfast and whatever left over at dinner. Okay, old boy. I also went into the local grocery store and bought them some Purina dog chow. Bueno, niña. Bueno, niña. If I'm gonna be here every day, I can feed them a little bit. It's not a lot. I can't just leave them hungry.
Her heart is probably bigger than her truck.
In many ways, our dog problem here has been existent. Right now it's a little bit more overwhelming due to our hurricanes that pass through. We have a lot of people that have left the islands, leaving them behind.
We're so grateful for everybody has come out to assist us in getting back to some kind of normality. This here, getting homes for these dogs that are either lost or abandoned, that's part of getting back to normality. And Mary has been an amazing link for us.
I'd love for everybody to take one. They're good dogs. I mean, they are going to be loyal dogs. You're going to rescue them from this life that they've had for 5 months of not having owners, not having people around them. That should do these guys for today.
Please visit Island Dog Rescue of Puerto Rico, and they're an amazing organization.
I can. It's just weird. There. Good girl. Mm-hmm.